students. Today we will do question number 5th A part. We have to evaluate integral 0 to 2 x into 8 minus x cube whole raised to the power 1 by 3 dx equals to this one. I is equals to limit 0 to 2 x into 8 minus x cube whole power 1 by 3 dx. First put x equal to 2t, differentiating we get dx is equals to 2 dt, dx is equals to 2 dt, integration I equal to limit get change. When x equals to 0 t will be 1, when x equals to 2 t will when x equals to 0 t will be 0, when x equals to 2 t will be 1. X is 2t into 8 minus x cube is 8 t cube whole power 1 by 3 into dx is 2 dt. So on simplification, 2 into 2 4, limit 0 to 1 t into 8 is common, 8 का cube root 2, 1 minus t cube whole power 1 upon 3 dt. Now again let t cube is equals to u, differentiating 3t square dt is equals to du. So integration I will be 8, no change in the limit, 0 to 1 t into 1 minus t cube is u whole power 1 upon 3 dt is, from this we will put dt equal to du upon 3 t square. On simplification we get 8 upon 3 limit 0 to 1 minus u whole power 1 upon 3 du, t से t cancel, we get 1 upon t and t is equals to, from this t is equals to u raised to the power 1 by 3 u की power 1 by 3. So I is equals to 8 upon 3 limit 0 to 1 u raised to the power minus 1 upon 3 into 1 minus u raised to the power 1 by 3 du. Now by property 8 upon 3, this is beta m comma n, means plus 1 किया 2 upon 3, plus 1 किया 4 upon 3 and I is equals to 8 upon 3 into, this is equal to gamma 2 upon 3 gamma 4 upon 3 divided by gamma 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3. So I is equals to 8 upon 3 gamma 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 3 is 1 upon 3 into gamma 1 upon 3 by property divided by gamma 2 and I is equals to 8 upon 3 into 1 upon 3 into gamma 2 upon 3 into gamma 1 upon 3 divided by gamma 2. Gamma 2 is 1. So I is equals to 8 upon 9 into, now this is equal, repeat कर रहे हैं, 2 upon 3 gamma into gamma 1 upon 3. Now again by the property we know that gamma n into 1 minus n gamma is equals to pi upon sin n pi. Therefore gamma n equal to 1/3 रखने पर, n equal to 1/3 रखेंगे, gamma 1/3 gamma 2/3 is equals to pi divided by sin pi by 3. So this becomes sin 60 degree √3 upon 2. So therefore integration I becomes 8 upon 9 into, this value is 2 pi upon √3. On simplification we get 16 pi upon 9 √3. Hence the proof. Clear? We have to prove this improper integral equal to 16 pi upon 9 √3. First we substitute x by 2t, differentiating dx is equals to 2 dt. Simplification करने पर we get 8 t into 1 minus t cube whole power 1/3 dt. Again replacing t cube by u, differentiating we get this expression, and on simplification we get this expression. Now by the property this integral is equals to beta m comma n. फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, बीटा m comma n, and m and n are calculated by adding 1 to the powers. इसमें 1 ऐड करेंगे 2/3, इसमें 1 ऐड किया 4/3, we get this one, and by formula of beta m comma n is gamma m into gamma n upon gamma m plus n. Simplification we get this 2 upon 3 gamma as it is, 4 upon 3 can be written as 1 upon 3 into gamma 1/3. Simplification we get this expression. Now we have calculated this value separately using the property gamma n into 1 minus gamma is equals to pi upon sin n pi. Putting n is equals to 1 upon 3 we get this equal to 2 pi upon √3. Therefore put this value we get I is equals to 16 pi upon 9 √3. Clear? Now in next class we will do remaining question. Thank you.